Where do we go? Where can we lay our head down? Always the same old mess. Thought that we noticed it by now. Carried these stones with the words that remain unspoken. Hard to see what lays ahead of us. Wait until we heal what is broken. Where do we go from here? Let's talk about it's time to let it out. Where do we go from here? The autumn love both carried around. How we find closure.